Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create the smoky eye look. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. First, I will be using Ulta Beauty's matte eye primer to prime my eyes. This primer actually is very lightweighted, so I really like how it feels on my skin. It doesn't feel like it's really heavy on the eyelids either, so I would say it's one of my favorites. Throughout this tutorial, I will be using Morphe So Chill 9 Shade Eyeshadow Palette. After I prime my eyes, I will be using shade Zero Stress to set in my eyelids. I am using Ulta Beauty's Full Coverage Liquid Concealer and applying it in the middle of my eyelids. I will be blending it out before applying shade PTO. This will help my eyes stand out more. Right now, I am using Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. I will be using the pencil side to draw out my eyeliner wing. Literally, this is my favorite because it is 2-in-1 and my eyeliner lasts all day with no smudges. So if you guys are looking for the perfect eyeliner, I would suggest this. Right here, I am just using the eyeliner pencil to shade the inside area of my eyes to give it a bolder and darker look. As you guys all know, the new TikTok way of applying foundation made me fall in love. So instead of doing it the usual way, I am going to go with the new way. First, I moisturize my skin with L'Oreal's Collagen Moisture Filler. After that, I am setting my face with L'Oreal's Loose Setting Powder number 612 in light medium. In here, I am using Milani's Make It Last setting spray. Last, I am applying Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in shade 120 with Ulta Beauty's Cheek Brush, and then I will be blending it out with a makeup sponge. Once that is done, I am using Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealer in shade 08B Cotton Candy to cover up the lower areas of my eyes. Lip liner in shade Medium Rose. Video. I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. I know how to win though, cause it's just my habits.